Let's open the MO-3000 QVP box. Whoa, wait a second, there's a warning sticker. Warning, you are about to experience extreme happiness. Let's go. Hey guys, it's David from Gigi's Fabric Shop, home to Juki and Janome Junkies. And in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the MO-3000 QVP Akane, however you pronounce it, and we're going to go over some of the things that come with this machine and some small little features that are super cool. This machine is known around the world for having some of the best technology built into a home sewing machine, Serger. So let's get started on unboxing this amazing Serger. So the tools we need to unbox this machine is just a nice little box cutter and a pair of pliers. And the pliers are optional based on if you need them or not. So these machines do come with little metal staples on the top. So whenever you actually cut the tape on the top, you're going to use those pliers to pull out the staples, or you can also literally just tear the box open and remove the staples with your hand. But it's usually safer to use those pliers, so we use the pliers in today's video. So once you have the box cut open and the staples removed, right when you open it up, you're going to have a thank you card from Juki Junkies. So every machine we ship here out of Juki Junkies comes with a handwritten thank you card. You can see that we're boxing and writing a card to everybody that purchases a machine from us. It also comes with a Juki Junkies sticker. And of course, you can't forget about that little charm that comes in every Juki Junkies order from our website. So when you order from our website, we give you these cute little charms and you kind of collect them. This one's a little bumblebee. And over time, you can share them on Juki Junkies Facebook group. And it's kind of cool to see what everybody collects over time. Some people have hundreds of charms and it's really cute. They create little scenes and all that stuff. So once you have the box open, you're going to locate on the top, you have a serial number. This is just a warranty registration card. And then here is actually your warranty registration card. This is done so online. You don't need to contact your dealer. And then of course it has a really nice big user manual, and that'll come in handy when you're starting to learn about this machine. Now the next thing is going to be your power cord. This is a standard power cord. This will work on pretty much all of the Juki sewing machines, so it's really nice because it's compatible with all the machines. If you lose it or need a new one, you can find replacements on jukijunkies.com. This machine does come with the two-function foot pedal. This foot pedal is found on a variety of home sewing Juki machines such as the DX series, F series, TL series. This is a two-function foot pedal, so you're going to be able to sew with it forward, and then you can use the heel click. And on this machine, you can program the heel click to do a variety of different functions, such as cut your thread, needle down, needle up. So it's a very customizable foot pedal, which is really cool. You can also purchase a foot switch stopper for this foot pedal if you decided you wanted to disable those functions. Some people accidentally heel click on accident and it bothers them, so they get that little foot switch stopper. Or you can purchase a completely separate pedal, which is a two-part pedal where the foot pedal's here and then the secondary function's on the side, so there's no way you could accidentally hit that secondary function. The next thing you're going to see is your thread guide rod. This is going to hold your thread guide on the back of your machine. This is where all four of your threads will go through and feed down to the machine. This is really nice. It also telescopes up and down. We'll put that to the side. Next thing is going to be your knee lifter. So this knee lifter is awesome because it allows you to lift up your foot with just your knee. So it allows you to use your hands to sew and your knees to help you do an extra function. Then you're going to get your little accessory bag. In this bag, you're going to see some spool caps. We have some oil. It looks like a machine cover, an extra foot, and a T-screw and a variety of little packs of needles there. Then of course we have our waste basket collector. And now that we've gone through everything on the top of the box, it's the exciting part where we get to actually take the styrofoam off and expose this beautiful machine. You just toss that. Oops. Okay, so now that we have the styrofoam out, we can actually remove the machine from the box. And you're just gonna grab this handle and literally just lift up. Oh, she's heavy. And then push the box forward. Remove all of the plastics, and voila. So now that we have the machine out of the box, we can now go over the accessories that come in this little bag a little bit more closely and see what it all comes with. So when you open up your accessory bag, you're gonna have that machine cover. We're gonna have a little bit of oil with a applicator, so it's really nice and easy to apply oil to your machine. This is going to be used for threading your air threader system when you're using a very specialty thread such as like a woolly nylon or a thread that you're going to use when doing a rolled hems. So this will help you with threading the air system if it's not working with those specialty threads. This is going to be your 4 spool caps that are going to come with the machine. And then we have our curved foot, which this is great that it comes with this machine because this machine is known for having the closest blade to needle relationship out of all the sergers on the market. At just 10 millimeters. You can sew really close and tight to the corners when doing curves. So it comes with a curved foot, allowing you to do those curves nicely without having to purchase that as an add-on. It comes with it. Then we're going to have a T-screw, which if you didn't already know this comes with pretty much all Juki home sewing machines, and this is very nice for removing your stitch plate needles and tightening tensions on different models of machines. It also comes with a pack of variety of needles here. We have 80-12 all the way to a 90-14, which this machine's needle range is anywhere from a 70 all the way to a 90. So 70-10, 80-12, 90-14. Universal needles is what you're going to want to use on this serger and pretty much all sergers out there. One other thing I forgot in the accessory bag is it does have this, pretty much it looks like a sewing needle, but it's for tucking the tail end of your stitches back into it to kind of hide them. So then also as far as thread ranges go, you're going to want to use a 30 weight all the way up to a 90 weight. So you can use a variety of different thread thicknesses on this machine and a variety of different styles and types of threads. It's not very picky. You can use all kinds of different specialty threads. Pretty much as long as it goes through that lower looper, it's good to go. So that is all of the threads and the needles. Now the next thing you're going to want to do is put on your thread stand. This is pretty simple. It's just going to go into this back little hole here, push down, and then this has an arrow facing towards you, and you're going to want to put that on this telescoping rod. Once you have it on there, you can see you can adjust this and it'll actually lock into place, and then you can kind of adjust this, and then when you're storing it you can kind of just push it down, and you can also just remove it off the machine. We're going to have it off so I can kind of show you more on the front of the machine, and you're going to see there's this blue tape. You can remove this tape here and this little cover will drop down where it houses a few other accessories that come with this machine, such as your stainless steel tweezers. So they actually have a little compartment that you can hide them in here, and these are nice little tweezers. Kind of help you feed and thread the machine in those tough areas, although this machine pretty much has it all covered with the air threader system, so that's nice. Just above that is your little hex head tool. This is going to be for tightening and loosening different parts of the machine, taking off and loosening your needles. Right above that we have our little brush for keeping your machine clean. And this cabinet just kind of snaps back into place. You'll actually want to remove all of this tape, obviously, once you start sewing. The machine does come with a sample sew out with just a 4-stitch overlock, just a standard overlock 4-stitch. And you'll see that sample, and the machine actually comes fully threaded, so you'll see kind of how it's supposed to look before you thread it. So that's really nice. One other accessory, you're just going to put this wastebasket collector on the front of the machine here, and this will collect all of your extra waste that the machine has, and it comes off nice and easy. You can dump it in your trash can, put it back on. So now that we've gone over all of the accessories that are included with this machine, if you wanted to add on any extra feet or accessories, you can shop them on JukiJunkies.com. Any of the feet that work with any of the MO series machines will work on this machine. That was really nice that Juki made all the feet compatible with all the MO series, so that way you don't have to purchase new feet if you already have an MO-1000 and you're ready for an upgrade on your sergers. So you can actually use all those feet on the MO-3000. So if you're looking for more feet, shop in the description of this video. We have a link there, and use code YouTube to get 10% off your Juki accessories on JukiJunkies.com. And just like that, we have unboxed the Juki MO-3000 QVP Akane serger. If you guys are interested in this machine or have any questions on sergers, don't forget to give us a call at 813-661-9000 or shoot us an email and we'll get back to you at customerservice@JukiJunkies.com. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like, comment down below if you have any questions. We'll be happy to answer them. Maybe tell us some fun facts about this machine that you enjoyed listening to. And if you're interested in more fun facts on this machine, we're going to be posting a full video just going over really cool facts on this machine and what makes it so special. So make sure you click that video that's going to pop up at the end here in a few seconds. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button because we post every Sunday at 5:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We'll see you next Sunday. Bye.